Hey, my buddy, what's up? Of course, this is Jack. I'm in China. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And you can see the current situation in China. And I'm not being supported by any organizations. And everything is real. And let's hit the road. Let's see this beautiful place. This is the city center of Shanghai. Those streets are beautifully lit by the wonderful lights. You can see there are some small globes. They are turning around. They make this ambience more attractive, more surreal. Yeah, my video can vividly depict the real situation here. Of course, I'm using my cell phone, so the facility, the equipment isn't advanced at all. As I said before, if I can be monetized by the YouTube, I'm going to update my digital equipment. Absolutely. Okay, there's a sculpture. You've seen it before. If you are a regular viewer of my videos, and you can see that you have seen it before, I think. You can see a lot of beautiful flowers. Yeah, I normally do not walk on the grass, but sometimes, I'm busy, I'm so hectic, and I just pass them. I don't want to bump into them. Wow, it's absolutely outstanding. We can see a lot of promotional posters. Pretty classy. Yeah, the surface is glass, I think you can say. Very smooth, very shining. And the grass and plants are well trimmed. There's a path ahead. The lady is walking it. It's quite leisurable. Yeah, this is the #1 street in China. Frankly speaking, it's absolutely #1. Look at the opposite. There's a lot of top-notch shops, and you can shop there. It's pretty expensive. It costs everyone an arm and a leg. But for the destitute guys, they don't even enter it, I think, right? Yeah, they know they can't afford it. It's just for the wealthy guys. There's a lot of flower sinks. Beautiful flowers are in them. They're red, pretty nice. Wow, it's the fall time. Today the temperature is much higher. Around 22, very nice, pleasant to take a stroll here. Let's pass them. So I'm walking pretty fast. It's nice to take a fast walk. A light is red. We have to wait for a moment here. Look at those towers. Very tall, very towering. This traffic is quite heavy. Wow, more cars are coming. They are moving fast. It's a Saturday, so mostly young people do not like to stay at home. Maybe they go out for fun. Maybe going to a bar, maybe going to a pub. The young people are always dynamic, vibrant, and they can enjoy themselves to the fullest. Time is running fast. Wow, the traffic is pretty heavy. That truck, 17. So I know it's a little bit boring every time when you see this kind of video. I think it's an attractive title is pretty important. So I'm going to use AI to give me some options, and hopefully more people can see the situation here, the real Shanghai, and that is my pursuit. Yeah, while I'm walking here, I can't resist to take some videos. Even the quality isn't nice, but I just want to record it. Maybe after 2 decades later, this video can be viral. Nobody knows, right? I don't think YouTube will be bankrupt. It's the #1 video uploading place. I think it's been developing very well. Yeah. There's a lot of beautiful boutiques that are selling some luxury stuff. You can't see a lot of buyers, shoppers, but when one guy comes, he or she might buy a lot, right? One item is more than 20,000 Chinese yuan, I think, at least. So even there's a few people in the shop, but one guy buys something, and it's fine for the whole day. Wow, so beautiful. Just walk faster. Yeah, those flowers are beautiful. Well, more people along this place. Yeah, it's near the subway, so there's a lot of people. Wow. Ooh. Maybe you can see some familiar faces when your friends are coming here. If they're here, maybe. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for being with me. I wish you all the best no matter where you are. And have a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much again, everyone. Okay, bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.